Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix welcome workouts not loading on Ladder. So if your welcome workout isn't loading on Ladder, it's usually caused by a stack app session network issue or broken boarding state. That's very common on first login or after reinstall. So actually guys, first you will need just to force close and reopen the app as a fix, and that's the fastest fix. So actually guys, you will need to close Ladder completely. How so? You will need to swipe it away, but first swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then swipe it away. Just swipe it up as well, and now reopen it. Alright, and wait 10 to 20 seconds on the welcome screen. So this fixes most infinite loading issues. Okay, and at the second we have checking your internet connection. So the welcome workout often needs to load content from servers, so just swipe down from the top right corner of your phone and then go and tap and hold this tab or this section. Okay, so right here you will need to switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data, disable VPN if you are using one, and open another app like YouTube or browser, or even sending a message on Instagram, watching a reel on Instagram too, or TikTok to confirm internet works. Also guys, I'd really advise you to restart your phone. So full restart clears stack onboarding sessions. So just go ahead, turn your phone off, wait 10 seconds and turn it back on and open Ladder again. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.